Hello everybody, so today I will talk about ASVAB Math Knowledge. What is the factor of s power 2 plus 5s minus 6? We have a, b, c, d in here. To answer the question, we need to have the 5s we separate into minus s and 6s in here. Because 6s minus s, you go about 5s back to the first one. In this one, we can do about the factor. Because s power 2, you go about s multiplied with the s, and the minus s is about s multiplied with the minus 1. We have 6 outside because 6s multiplied like this, and 6 multiplied with minus 1, you go about minus 6. Because we have s minus 1 at the same one, that's why we can do about the factor like this, s plus 6. And the answer for the question is about C. In this situation, if you don't know how to do about the factor, you can use about the answer key in here. And the best way to answer in each is about we need to expand. For example, s multiplied with the s, and we have minus 3s and plus 2s. And this one you got about minus s in here, so this is not correct because they don't have same with the question. Similar this one, three s plus 2s, you got about 5s, but they don't same with the question because this is minus, this is positive number, so we cannot choose. This one, we just sum two factors together. This one, you got about positive 5s, but in here you got about negative 5s. So this is not the correct. So, and the last one, this is similar with the question, that's why we need to choose. Here I just showed you about two techniques how to find the factor of the equation. In case you know how to separate about the s in here, or if you don't know, you can expand like this, and we can compare with the question. And this is the best way to answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.